Hello YouTube, just want to show you the completed Tedelex. As you know, this has been a full restoration. Haven't put the case screws back in yet. Alright, so what did we do on this radio? Well, I just wanted to take on the challenge. This was in cosmetically really bad condition, which is why I bought it. So it went through, as per previous videos, did all the internal stuff. So the usual, put the chip holder in, put a new VCO in it because the VCO was gone. And then we focused on the outside of the radio. So the front fascia was severely damaged along here. There was soldering iron marks. There was gouges in this panel here. And it's all typical for a radio that's, what, 35 years old. So down here, again, lots of damage. Repaired all the damage. New face. So this face, as this is an aluminium front panel, it corrodes. And what happens on these, as you can see with other radios, and I'm sure if you go back to my video, it comes all pitted. And it does not look good. So what do? We sent the radio, the front panel out to a company in America. And this is the company here. And he created a new front panel for me. In high gloss, he replicated all of the original fonts. And he sanded the original panel down and then applied the decal. Now, it's not just a normal stick-on decal. This is a UV cured locked decal. Now, with all things of high quality, it comes the price. So to give you some idea, this radio, from memory, was just over $100. And then chip holder, it's just time on that really, because it's only probably about $4. The VCO is around about $45, $50 delivered. Then we've gone through, tuned and aligned, fixed dry joints. I then spray painted and filled the front plastic panel with an airbrush system. So we used modeler's filler, then sanded back, gradually getting up to about 4,000 grit, and then spray painted. And the result is that you have a radio that looks brand new. Or at least I think so anyway. The microphone, we've just done a very simple clean and detail. The covers need one final detail, which I'm about to do. And I use a mix of degreaser and soap. And being that these are plastic covers, steel with a plastic vinyl wrap, they come up extremely well. And then that's it. All right, great exercise. Another Cybernet sorted and back into the collection. Please subscribe or comment, ask questions, and I'll do my best to help you. So this concludes the series on the Tedelex. Thank you very much.